How to hide WhatsApp from your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove the app from sight without uninstalling it. First, long press on the WhatsApp icon from your home screen. From there, tap Remove from Home Screen. This will take the icon off your home screen, but the app will still be fully installed on your device. After that, WhatsApp will no longer be visible on your home screen, but you can still access it anytime through your app drawer by swiping up. If you want to take it a step further and hide it from the app drawer as well, here's how to do that. From your home screen, pinch inward to open the home screen settings. At this point, tap Home Screen Settings, or a similar option depending on your device. Following this, look for an option called Hide Apps and tap on it. From here, find WhatsApp in the list and select it, then confirm to hide it. Once done, WhatsApp will no longer appear in your app drawer or home screen. You can still access it by searching for it in the search bar at the top of your screen. Finally, to unhide it anytime, just go back to the same Hide Apps menu, deselect WhatsApp, and it will reappear in your app drawer as normal. That's how you hide WhatsApp from your home screen on Android. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.